Discovering the magic of Mexico City. Explore everywhere. Discovering the magic of Mexico City. A journey through history, culture, food, and shopping in the America's largest city. Mexico City is a place where history and culture collide, creating a vibrant and unforgettable destination. On my first visit to this bustling city, I was struck by its sheer size and the seemingly endless winding streets and alleyways. But I soon learned that the friendly locals were always willing to help, and I was never lost for long. One of the highlights of my trip was exploring the city's rich cultural heritage. I was amazed by the ancient Aztec ruins and the stunning colonial architecture, each telling a unique story about Mexico City's fascinating past. I wandered the streets, taking in the vibrant colors, rich textures, and bustling energy of the city, and I felt like I was a part of its rich cultural tapestry. But it wasn't just the city's history and culture that captivated me. Mexico City is a foodie's dream, and I was eager to try as many of its delicious dishes as possible. From street vendors serving up mouthwatering tacos to high-end restaurants offering exotic flavors, I was never disappointed. One of the most memorable meals of my trip was at a local restaurant where I savored the rich, spicy flavors of traditional Mexican cuisine, accompanied by live mariachi music. Shopping in Mexico City was also a highlight of my trip. From traditional markets selling handmade crafts and locally made products, to modern malls offering high-end designer brands, I was in shopping heaven. I was struck by the incredible prices and wide selection, and I left the city with a trunk full of unique and memorable souvenirs. In conclusion, Mexico City is a city that will leave a lasting impression on you. Its rich history, vibrant culture, delicious food, and incredible shopping make it a must-visit destination. And with its warm hospitality and friendly locals, you're sure to feel like you're a part of its rich cultural tapestry, making memories that will last a lifetime. So if you're looking for a unique travel experience, Mexico City is waiting for you.